Today, last week on Friday, you learned how to add three two-digit numbers, right? Stack three numbers on top of each other. Today, you're going to stack four numbers on top of each other. Okay? So, let's do problem, I think this is just some review, but let's do problem number 1. Okay. Shelly counts 16 ants. What should you guys be doing? Shelly counts 16 ants in her ant farm. Pedro counts 22 ants in his farm. Tara counts 14 ants in her farm. How many ants do the three children count? 2. Okay. So what's my problem gonna look like, Isaac?
Shelly, she has 16.
So what am I gonna do?
Like 16.
16. Then what? Then what?
14.
Then I have a line and my plus sign. What do I do first? Brandon? Add the 1. So I'm going to start with my big number. Remember, big number? And then add, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make my 2 be right here. I have to put my 1 above the 10s, right? Now I add the 10s. I'm going to start with my big number. I'm going to say 2. I'm going to go up. 3, 4, 5. So how many ants do they have all together?
52 ants.
52 ants. Alright, ready for your next one?
Yes.
Jaden had 43 basketball stickers. Jaden had 43 basketball stickers. And 25 football stickers. He bought 23 more football stickers. How many stickers does he have now? Okay, what do I do? Bias?
Put down 43
And?
then 25 and 23.
Okay, then what do I do? Lena?
Add the 1.
Add the 1s. I'm going to start 5. I'm going to go up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 1, right? Then I'm going to add the 10. I'm going to start with my big number 4. Go up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 91 what?
Stickers.
Stickers. 91 stickers. Turn to the next page and you have that done. Alina, are you done? Your paper around. Done. Okay, next page. You can add digits in a column in more than one way. Add the 1s first, then add the 10s. You guys already know how to do this. So let's just do this problem. Okay? So you could do, on the 1s, you could choose. If you want to do 4 and 4 and make 8. Or you could do 1 and 4 and make 5 and 7 and 4 and make 11 and add those. Okay? This way might be easier because if you think about this, 4 and 4 is 8, right? What's 7 and 1?
Oh.
7 7 plus 1 is what? 8. So then you just add the two 8s together. What's 8 plus 8?
16.
Alright, so we're going to put a 6 here and a 1 on top, right? A lot of you guys keep forgetting to add that 1 or to count that 1, okay? You guys need to make sure you remember to count the 1 that you add on top. Okay, my big number is 3, right?
Yeah.
So 3, I'm going to go up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 96, right? We're going to get the same answer over here, so we're just working it out one time. Okay? All right. I think you guys can do this on your own with your partner. Yes, Brandon?
Do you have to do that way or can you just stack it out?
Yeah, you can second that however, whatever is easiest for you. Okay? Let's look. Oh, looks like on your own you just have problems. And looks like here you just have problems. Okay, let's look at number 20 for a minute. I'm not going to tell you the answer, but I'm going to talk to you about doing it. It says use this table right here to answer and solve the problem. Number 19 says how many shells did the 4 children collect at the beach? What do you think you're going to do there? Add what? All the 4 numbers. Do you think I want to see your work? Yes, I do. I want to see that you've added all 4 numbers and that you have the answer. Do you understand? I'm starting to get problems when you guys are answering problems and you don't have any work. So I think that you either got the answer from somebody else or you guessed. We're not going to do that. Got it? Then down here on number 20. Which 2 children collected more shells at the beach? Did Katie and Paul collect more or Noah and Lainey? You're going to have to put Katie and Paul and add them together to find how much they had. Then you're going to have to do Noah and Lainey. You're going to have to add those 2 together and see what they got. And then which 2 of them got more? Katie and Paul or Noah and Lainey? Got it? Okay. I will find you your partner.